Back in the day, the Accord Coupe was one of the most attractive mainstream midsize cars, with its attractive look and capable V6 engine. Unfortunately, the Japanese manufacturer killed the Accord Coupe some time ago and kept the sedan version in production only. However, this could change with the arrival of the 11th generation. The new model already had a premiere, and some sources suggest that the company is also working on a two-door version, which would come as the 2024 Honda Accord Coupe. So far, the company announced two powertrain options for the new Accord. Unfortunately, there is no word about the super peppy 2.0-liter Turbo 4, but only about the smaller Turbo 4 and a hybrid powertrain. Still, we would expect the coupe version to offer something more powerful. We expect that the 2024 Honda Accord Coupe could arrive already in the second half of 2024, with a starting price of around $30,000. Still, the officials are still quiet, so take these paragraphs with a big reserve.